Whenever we go to buy a TV, we always look for the best TV, but finding the right model for your home and budget is not always easy. Checking all the right boxes is tough, especially as features like 8K resolution, OLED, QLED display, mini LED, HDR, smart home connectivity, voice control and more make it increasingly complex to find the TV you want. And we also look for the whole package in a TV, that is like you want a great picture quality, rich sound and all the smart features, like the TV must be a future ready one. So to help you out in choosing the best TV for you under budget, premium, OLED, QLED categories, we have made a list of top 5 TVs that you can consider to buy for 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which TV did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. TCL 6 Series Roku TV, the best value for money TV for 2022. The TCL 6 Series Roku TV offers enormous value for its affordable price, offering premium picture quality and a great smart TV experience for much less than the competition. As TCL's best mainstream smart TV, the RX35 ups the ante with the mini LED backlighting in addition to the QLED. The result is impressive color and brightness with some of the best HDR performance we have seen on anything this side of an OLED display. But TCL keeps delivering more, like THX certified game mode, which makes the 6 series one of the best gaming TVs available even for yet to be released consoles like the PS5 and the Xbox Series X. From the design smart touches like cable management in the stand to the always solid Roku TV platform, the TCL 6 Series RX35 is the best value for money TV. Consider this TV for its excellent QLED and mini LED display, great gaming experience. Roku TV offers a huge app selection and easy interface and improved Roku remote. The disappointments here are the sound quality is little weak and the Roku is missing some of the latest applications. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. LG G1 OLED TV, a best premium OLED with stunning design. The LG G1 OLED TV is updated version of the LG Superb Gallery OLED, boosting and premium 20mm thick design and sleek flush to the wall mounting setup. It is still the best 4K OLED TV made by LG, but as the first TV with the LG's second generation OLED Evo technology, it falls short of some clean performance improvements we were pretty excited for. That said, the LG G1 OLED is still an impressive OLED set, and the LG has even knocked the price down a bit while updating almost everything else about the set. The slim OLED features more comfortable remote control, enhanced gaming features and the latest version of the WebOS, all while delivering the same excellent picture quality and impeccable sound that we expect from the LG's best OLED models. Consider this TV for its exclusive OLED Evo panel that delivers brighter picture, more affordable than last year's Gallery series, same stunning thin design, and the new remote is a major improvement here. The disappointment here is WebOS 6.0 is disappointing. Philips OLED 936, the best value TV or the best budget OLED TV. If you are looking for a total home cinema upgrade, visuals and audio in a single simple package, this is unbeatable. It's not only a fantastic 55-inch OLED TV, but the speaker bar built into the stand is a Dolby Atmos system, complete with up-firing speakers to add the height. The TV is on the very cutting edge of what OLED can do, matching the brightness of elite competitors such as the Sony A90J, yet is more affordable than Sony. Colors are rich and punchy in the way that Philips TV are known for, but the latest scene-by-scene AI-based processing helps the skin tones to appear natural. Philips Ambilight technology is here too, which uses colored light strips around the outside of the TV to project colors matching what's on the TV onto the wall, helping a small TV to feel even bigger and more immersive. The built-in sound system is really impressive too. None of its competitor can match it for dynamism and the feeling of sounds being positioned around the screen. Buy this TV for its best-in-class HDR performance, excellent built-in Dolby Atmos, top-tier image processing and affordable price. The disappointment here is only 2 HDMI 2.1 ports provided. Samsung QN95A, the best mini LED TV. The Samsung QN95A is the company's new flagship Neo QLED 4K TV that is launched in 2021 and best for 2022, and the first to embrace a mini LED backlit, not to be confused with the micro LED, which is completely different self-emissive display technology. Mini LED uses a newly developed backlit that's much smaller and more efficient, resulting in a significant increase in dimmable zones and thinner panels. The results speak for themselves with the superb SDR and HDR images that benefit from deep blacks and brighter highlights, all of which are delivered without blooming or loss of shadow detail. The inclusion of quantum dot technology delivers saturated and nuanced color too. Samsung is not shortchanging its 4K lineup in an effort to push sales of the 8K ranges. So the QN95A boasts an impressive set of features, which is headlined by well-designed and comprehensive smart platform that includes every major streaming app. Consider this TV for its amazing and stellar picture quality and impressive sound system. And disappointments are there is no Dolby Vision or Atmos. Preview play would be nice. LG C1 series, overall the best TV. If you only remember one TV from this list, make it the LG C1 OLED. This iterative update to the beloved LG CX may not reinvent the wheel, but it does continue its legacy of high-performing picture in an excellent all-round package. The new A9 Generation 4 chipset adds in AI processing to distinguish between objects and their backgrounds, something that's at the heart of a lot of advancement in today's TV market, while a full suite of HDMI 2.1 ports and a dedicated game optimizer menu means that the gamer should find using the C1 a breeze. There are of course higher resolution TVs out there right now like the LG Z1 OLED, which offers 8K resolution, and the new LG G1 Gallery series that uses the coveted OLED EVO panels that offers better brightness. However, we feel that LG C1 OLED offers best blend of price and performance and should be high up on our list for the potential it is having to be the best TV that you can consider to buy for 2022. Buy this TV for its beautiful 4K HDR picture quality, 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, great WebOS interface and app support. The disappointment here is there is no HDR10 Plus supported. So these are the top 5 best TVs that you can consider to buy for 2022. So which TV did you like the most? Please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.